Good morning. Gabe Dalporto and my colleague Nicole Patel. We are all from a 16-year-old startup called LendingTree. You might know us from our tagline, "When banks compete, you win." And we are a comparison shopping site where people can shop for mortgages and personal loans and credit cards and student loans and auto loans and pretty much any type of loan you could imagine. We have millions of people coming to our site that shop for various loan products. They find a great deal, they save money, and then off they go. There's only one problem with that. It requires people to take the initiative, right? So it requires a motivated consumer who actually wants to refinance their mortgage or get an auto loan or something like that. And we started to think, well, what would happen? What if they didn't have to actively take the step of shopping? What if we could imagine what they needed and do the shopping for them in an automated way to really anticipate their needs? And we thought this was a pretty cool idea, but there's only two things you need to pull that off. One is a relationship with the customer, and two is their credit file. So as their financial lives change, as their credit score changes, you can take that information, go to the market, search over hundreds and hundreds of lenders that are on our network, and come back with specific deals and savings opportunities as they arrive. So we said, great, well, we can solve this, and we can do this pretty simply. To get access to our credit file, we can take these millions of people coming to our site and offer them a free credit score for life. It's a good product. It also gives you license to communicate. It's a pretty commoditized product, so raise your hand if your bank or credit card company offers you a free credit score. Right, so most people can get a free credit score now. It's not that big of a deal. When was the last time your bank said, hey, you know what, this mortgage you have with us has kind of a lousy rate, you should probably go refinance, or maybe the credit card you have with us, you can get a better deal at the bank down the street, right? How often does that happen? Exactly. So that's what we think the opportunity is for us, to continuously shop the market for consumers. The second there's a better deal out there, say, hey, you can save 50 bucks a month by refinancing your auto loan, save $250 a month by refinancing your mortgage, consolidate your credit card debt, and save $1,000 over the life of the loan. And so Nicole's going to demonstrate that in terms of the product.
Great. Gabe, thank you very much for the introduction. So as Gabe mentioned, I think having the credit score available to consumer is a great thing, right? And having access to the credit report is also good. But wouldn't it be nice if there is some software which analyzes your credit report for you, shops in real time for all the market channels available, and finds the best deal for you and alerts you? So we call this a brain behind the credit report. So we developed this product. So Gabe, why don't you pull up my credit score?
Nicole likes to brag about his credit score every chance he gets.
Oh, that's a responsible borrowing, Gabe. Shut up. So basically what you see here is that the credit score, it shows why my credit is what it is. So Gabe, if you can scroll down a little bit, people get to see like what is happening. It just educates the customer. But this is commodity. I think there is nothing new here. What we have built over the last week, what we released, is the actions page. There is a lot of action going on. So Gabe, let's go there. So as you can go here, this is very similar to a product Google has called Google Now, which looks at your Gmails and tells you like when there is a best flight to take or when you have to go to the airport. It's a cool product. So here it tells me that I can reduce my payments by $341 by refinancing my mortgage. Now that's pretty damn cool. Now, many of you will think that, oh, what a big deal. But this is happening in real time. So just to demonstrate that, Gabe will go into the mortgage account, what I have. It's with Ocwen Loan. And he's going to change the interest rate on this one for 15-year mortgage to 2.75. Now, as a consumer, you don't need to do that. But we are just going to show you that it's happening in real time. So he's changing the interest rate. And as soon as he hits the save button, our software is going to connect to 300 to 400 lenders we have in our network, going to exactly shop on my behalf, but it's happening anonymously. So banks don't know who I am. All they know is that there is somebody with this profile shopping for loan. So software ran, it found that I can save $317 a month. Now that's pretty cool. Like a lot of people can use this kind of software to proactively shop for all financial products. Now, this software is not only for mortgage. We started with mortgage and personal loans and credit cards, but we are expanding this software to student loans, auto loans, and any other lending category. So let's go back to the Actions tab and see what else is going on over there. So as you can see, it says there is another alert coming out. It says consolidate your credit card and save $1,100. Now that's pretty fantastic. I carry a small balance on my credit card, but it's small enough where it doesn't make sense for me to get a personal loan from lending marketplaces like Prosper or Lending Club. But it is good enough where there are credit card issuers which are giving us great deals for 0% introductory APR for 12 months. Now that's free money, right? So Gabe, why don't you take me there? And our software will find the best credit cards available for me for that particular situation. And here is a Chase Freedom card, a great card, about like 15 months free money, 0% APR, which can save me $1,100. If I don't like this, I can shop for another one. Citi Double Cash card, good rewards, and also saves me money. So again, this software is extremely valuable. Now, you got the power of this. Now imagine this software working for all the finance products like mortgage, personal loans, auto loans, credit cards. And it also works across the product lines. So if I have $10,000 or more in my credit card debt, it will recommend that I consolidate that credit card debt and get a personal loan. Now that's a real power. So if you want to shop for personal finance product, come to LendingTree.com. We will make bank competes for your business. That's what we have been doing for 16 years. But if you rather sit back and let software do it for you, just come to LendingTree, create an account at my.lendingtree.com, and the software will shop on your behalf 24/7. Now that's very powerful. Now, if you're a bank or a lending institution who wants to do business with us, please stop by at our booth, and we will be happy to get you on our platform. Also, many lending institutions are coming to us and says, hey, can I take this software, very complex piece of software, and have it on my website? So we allow that too. So if you are interested in syndicating this software, you're most welcome to talk to us, and we will get a piece of this software on your website. Thank you very much.
Thank you.